Es bote número 27. Sí.
27.
All right, guys, there we go. As Duper said, we're always in the money over here, so hopefully this brings us some luck with the fish, but you know, we make our own luck out there. It's all about the bait. Thanks, guys. Hey guys, Captain Mike here with ReelReports. I'm back on the road heading to Fort Myers here as we begin this journey of building my dream boat, the 25 Latitude. I'm building this exactly to my specifications. If you guys joined me just less than 24 hours ago, then you know that we sprayed the mold with Whisper Gray gel coat. Now the guys told me that they like to have about 24 hours before they go ahead and start laying the fiberglass. So we went home and now we're back on the road. It's almost 24 hours or so. They're gonna start laying the glass. I'm gonna take you guys there with me. I'm gonna show you the process. It's really cool to see. I hope you guys enjoy this one. Here we go. Alright guys, so we're back in the shop here with the guys at Latitude Boats. They're measuring out all the fiberglass right here behind me. Back here, they got all the sheets pre-cut. Then we're gonna go over to the mold. They're gonna lay all this. I think we called that the skinning process, right? Yes. So we're doing the skinning process right now. It's gonna be pretty cool. Here they are cutting all the glass right here on the table. A lot of fiberglass. You don't feel it anymore? Asked him if he gets the fiberglass in his, arms and if he feels it. And he told me after many years he don't even feel it anymore. But after today, I'm sure I'm going to be feeling it. My arms are nice.
Now, today they're putting this down. This is 1.5 ounces. It's very, very fine, very loose. And what this does is allows us to lay a very tight coat against the gel coat without any air in it. And that is just to start our barrier. That's the first one we will put down. And then after that, we put down what's called 1708. Now the difference between this one and that one, if you can tell, is it's woven. See the strands? And see the difference in that one. And what this does is it starts to add strength with the different directions of the strands.
Okay.
So this one will lay there. Will go down after the 1.5 ounces.
Gotcha.
Now, this is one
Thick,
type.
huh?
Yeah, it's pretty thick.
Yeah.
And that's 1708. This
Okay.
is 1808. Now you notice they look pretty different. This one right here has a woven pattern, a 90-degree woven pattern, where 1708 has a 45-degree woven pattern. It looks like X's here and straight up and down on this one. So what they do is they'll lay this one over this.
Okay.
And then after that, we will come back with this one. And what that is doing is it's changing the angle of the strands. Every time you change the angle of it, it adds tensile strength because they're going and it's pulling all different directions.
Okay.
And then after this one, we'll come back like that, and we go back and forth. And we also will change them to where we change the angle of, like I was saying, the way the woven is.
Okay.
The more you change that, the stronger it is.
Gotcha.
Because you can take this right here, and I can take 10 layers of this and just put it straight over top of itself. Or I can take 5 layers of this, and if I just turn it just a little bit each time I lay it down, those 5 layers are going to be stronger than 10 layers just going the same direction.
Gotcha.
You see what I'm saying?
Yeah. All right, guys, so you can see right there, they're starting on the transom there, laying that fiberglass. Remember, this isn't the boat, this is only the mold. When you look at it, it actually looks like the boat, but this is really just the mold. They put the gel coat on first, and now they're applying the fiberglass, and eventually in about 12, 13 days, they're gonna pull this out, and that's gonna be my boat. So this is the transom of the boat right here.
So we just did the first 2 layers, 1.5 ounces, and we're gonna let it cure for a little bit, and then we're gonna roll the boat and flip it so they can do the other side. We don't want to do it too early, because if we roll it too soon, then everything will fall off the mold. So we're gonna give it a little bit of time to cure and to kick off, and then we're gonna go ahead and roll her and start the process all over again. So about 15-20 minutes.
Ponerle un poquito de plástico. Preguntarle a... No,
We got a new employee.
All right, here we go. Thanks for having me on the team. All right, guys, I'm trying to get the boat done quicker here. I got to get back on the water. I got to roll over here. That's it. Tight.
Yeah.
All right, guys, so that's it. We're wrapping this up here. We're leaving Latitude. The next time I see these guys, we'll be pulling the plug. So be sure to subscribe to the channel so that you get to see what happens next. We're bringing you all along the way. I'm not hiding anything, any industry trade secrets these guys have. I'm gonna show you guys, so. There's my boat. There it is.
Always in the money.